Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased a new stamping plate by Dixie Plates from the UK and EU stockist of Dixie Plates, Nail Stamping Queen UK. I also picked up a couple of other bits as well. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Mega Mani Mix 03 stamping plate. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper. I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For my first swatch I have a yellow coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. For this image, once I've picked up the image, I will remove any excess before stamping down. But what a beautiful combo for this image. It looks beautiful. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a teal green stamping polish. Now with big images like these on Dixie Plates stamping plates, I like to lay down 2 lines of polish. This way I'm still covering the whole image but I'm not using excess product. Again, a very pretty image. You could even reverse stamp this image. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. I went with this image because the photo swatch is very different, so I thought I would do it again, but this time on a plain background. Again, you could very easily reverse stamp or turn it into a decal or a Sharpie mani, but again it looks beautiful. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a metallic blue stamping polish. With this swatch you'll see just how easy Dixie Plates are to work with. Lay the polish, scrape, pick up the image, transfer to the nail tip. I love the colour combo with this design. I would actually do a whole mani like this. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. I love how large these images are. If you have smaller nails you can sort of choose which area of the image you want on your nails. Again, another stunning image. This would look even more beautiful, full of colour. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from Dixie Plates Mega Mani Mix 03. Dixie Plates Mega Mani Mix 03 is just full of amazing designs, ranging in size from the large square images to the smaller images at the bottom to even the thin line designs. This plate has you covered with its 27 stunning designs. In the description box below you'll find the links to my swatch reviews of Mega Mani Mix 01 and 02, and they are just as gorgeous as 03 is. I love the mix of mandala to the thin lines to the patterns to the floral images. All of these swatches are just beautiful and I love them all. I was super surprised that the 2 very open space images at the top swatched as well as they did. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I've had trouble with images like this, but with a slight change in how I swatch them, they are almost perfect. Each image is just full of so much detail, and for all of the swatches I've just used my large stamper from the video along with my clear jelly stamper stamping polishes. Now I don't normally make 2 manis for one plate, but for this video I have, and I'll explain why. I've done my usual mani per plate, but I've also done a mani where I've used all 3 of the Mega Mani Mix stamping plates. Hopefully it will show just how well all 3 of the amazing plates work well together. Using all of the plates from a range to make a mani is something that I really like to do, and I've done it quite a few times in the past for other brands. For me, there is just so many images that I want to use on 03, but I'll definitely be doing more using all 3 again. Mega Mani Mix is one of my favourite ranges from Dixie Plates. For the first mani I went with a pink gel polish which has a blue hue to it, and I've stamped in a dark metallic blue stamping polish. I've used 2 different images to create this mani. I love how this mani has turned out, but I do wonder if the index and ring finger should have been the same as the others, as it is quite dark, but it's still very, very pretty though. For the second mani, if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a swatch of a gel polish marble I did as a test, and this is where the test pop stick idea went to. So I've marbled a bright yellow and a neon red gel polish together. Now for the stamping, the middle finger is from 03, the index and pinky are from 01, and the ring and thumb is from 02. I love this mani, and I will be marbling gel polishes together again. This is so bright and cheerful for the summer. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plates Mega Mani Mix 03. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.